the tail gun position, they'll see Pete and Repeat, the name of Quinlan's 250 caliber machine guns, and one swastika. These swastikas that were on the aircraft when it was flying in combat and shortly after represent confirmed victories. I can only imagine what it must be like to be one of the people who are going to paint this American treasure. I mean, the work that they're doing is going to last far beyond all of our lifetime. They are, in essence, creating the representation of the Memphis Belle. It is in their hands, literally. And I can only imagine the bond that they have. They've consulted with each other, asked each other questions about what do you think about this, what do you think about that? And so it must be very special to have that bond that they have. But also, too, they've replicated what was there. It is stunning. And many members of the team have been looking at these images over and over and studying for years and years and years. And to see their work and their talent in replicating that exactly is really breathtaking.